First of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Nur Shaira binti Muhammad Sofi. My student ID is 2025516673. First of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Nur Shaira binti Muhammad Sofi. My student ID is 2025516673.
Assalamualaikum. My name is AIS205 binti Mazlan with my student ID 2025.23.585.
Hi, my name is Nur Amira binti Muhammad Zaki. My metric number is 2025145801.
Hi, my name is Durat Afika binti Kamaluddin and my student ID is 2025306239.
First of all, introducing our business Fenty Boutique that was established on 1 January 2022. Our business starting capital is 75,500. Our business located at Lot 24, Jalan Permata Utara at Section 24, 47207, Bandar Bangi, Selangor.
As shown, this is our adjusted trial balance as at 21 December 2023. To get total for trial balance, we use formula equals sum B9 drag down until B30. It same goes to credit side for trial balance, which is equals sum C8 drag down until C34. For adjusting entries, we use the same formula too, which is equals sum D19 and we drag down until D41. The same goes to credit side. As shown in this slide, this is our adjusted trial balance. We use if function, and to get the total of credit and debit, we use equals sum H9 and drag down until H41.
This is our statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31 December 2023. We took the value used in SOPL from the adjusted trial balance, then we calculate them as usual to find the net sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit, and this is our statement of financial position at 31 December 2023. We also took the value needed from the adjusted trial balance and we calculate the total asset, total equity and liabilities as usual to get the balance.
As shown in this picture, this is our vertical analysis of profit or loss as at 21 December 2023. The formula of vertical analysis is equal F6 divided $F $6 and multiply by 100 and we will get 100%. Next, for the vertical analysis of financial position as at 21 December 2023, as we can see, for non-current asset, we use equal N7 divide $and $20 multiply by 100. We use total asset, which is N20, to find the percentage, and we drag down until the total asset. For honest equity, we use equal M23 divided $and $36 multiplied by 100. We use total honest equity and liabilities amount, which is N36, to find the percentage, and we drag down until total honest equity and liabilities.
For this slide, I will explain about the ratio analysis for our company. First, for profitability ratio, the gross profit margin is calculated using gross profit of 7,820, the net sale of 43,950, The net profit margin used net profit of 2,080 compared to net sale of 43,950. Nets of liquidity ratio, the current ratio used current asset of 99,395 and current liability of 12,190. Last, for efficiency ratio, the inventory turnover used cost of goods sold of 36,130 and average inventory of 7,800. Overall, this ratio show the company profitability, liquidity, and efficiency.
Hello everyone, today I am presenting CVP analysis for Fenty Boutique. We specialize in selling goods kebaya in Kuala Lumpur, Selangor. To kick things off, let's look at our baseline manufacturing data as shown in picture. Our initial selling price is RM120 per unit. Our variable cost is RM90 per unit, and we operate with a total fixed cost of 19,000. To dynamically project our financial outcomes, I built this CVP worksheet using Excel formula. As you can see in the lower half of picture, the fixed cost remains constant using absolute cell referencing. Variable cost is calculated dynamically by multiply the number of units by our per unit variable cost. Total cost is the sum of fixed and variable costs. Sales are calculated by multiply unit by the selling price, and our net profit or loss is simply total sales minus total cost. With our initial pricing strategy, our break-even point is exactly 3,000 unit. Selling anything below 3,000 unit result in a loss, while anything above it a profit. Management wanted to explore how increasing our selling price would impact our bottom line. To find out, I simulated 5 different pricing strategy ranging from a 10% increase all the way up to a 50% increase. A 10% increase brings our price to RM132. A 20% increase moves it to RM144. 30% increase bumps it to RM150. 40% increase brings it to RM160. 50% increase brings out our looks kebaya price to RM180 per unit. Let's look at the final summary of our findings in a picture. Across all scenarios, our baseline break-even point remains firmly anchored. However, as the selling price increased from 10% to 50%, Fenty Boutique profitability improved dramatically. For instance, at a sales volume of 6,000 units, a 10% price increase a profit of 100,000. For instance, at a sales volume of 6,000 units, a 10% price increase a profit of 162,000. A 20% increase RM234,000. A 30% increase RM306,000. A 50% increase 378, and our higher performing scenario, the 50% increase generates a maximum profit of RM450,000. Why the 50% price increase generate the absolute highest profit on paper? Management should carefully balance this pricing strategy against local customer demand and market competitiveness in Selangor to ensure we don't accidentally lower our sale volume.
In conclusion, this project helped us improve our Microsoft Word Excel skill and apply the knowledge learned in AIS205. We gain a better understanding of accounting process, financial statement, and Excel function. This project also improved our teamwork, communication, and team management skill.